And so the story goes like this. There was once a magician, and one day he was on the street to find some audience to do his magic. And then he happens to see a boy. He approached the boy. He pulled out his deck of cards and asked the boy if all the cards he had in his hand was different, and of course all the cards were different. He asked the boy, "Is all the cards different?" The boy replied, "Yes." And then the magician asked the boy to reach out his hand and pull a card out of the deck. The boy did so. He pulled out the card. He looked at himself and then showed it to the magician. The magician now has to guess the card the boy just picked. And so he started to look at the boy's eye, and for the first time he guessed that the boy's card was the Six of Hearts. And the boy said, "No." The magician's first guess was a failure. The second time the magician guessed the boy's card was the Three of Spades, and of course this time too his guess was wrong. And for the third time the magician guessed that the boy's card was the Ace of Clubs, and of course he was wrong for the third time. To this, almost the world would start laughing, thinking that the magician has failed to perform his trick. But there is a point missing. The point here is that when the magician made his first guess, he has a 1/52 probability of success. The second time he did so, one card is eliminated, so he has to guess a card out of 51 cards, and so the probability is 1/51. The third time he did so, he has a probability of 1/50, and so failure by failure he is approaching towards success, and at least on his 52th try the magician would be definitely right. The moral of the story is that the more we fail, the more we have chance of success. What we have to do is set a goal, make attempts, fail, and at last we will definitely find success. This is just a story that shows that failures are the stepping stones of success. And as in the story, the world wonders why the magician got it wrong. Right now on the screen you might be wondering what was that card trick all about. That card trick, my audience picks a card, and of course I have no idea what that card is, and still I have to guess the card, and so my first guess is wrong, and my second guess is also wrong, and my third guess is also wrong, my fourth guess is also wrong, and so my fifth guess, and all those failures I pile them up. And as I tried, I looked at the card the audience picked, and of course it is the Queen of Hearts, and that is a moment of success when I guessed the Queen of Hearts. But this is it, the Queen of Hearts. Yes, when I look back in my life, all were failures except for that moment of success. But if you look closely, that all those failures I made were not actually failures. Those failures were really the stepping stone of success, and so every card was the Queen of Hearts. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Renson Tosongong, and this is my story. Thanks for watching. Like this video, comment down below, and share it with your friends. And if you are new to my channel, I consider you subscribing, because you're gonna get a lot of entertainment from this channel. You're gonna get a lot of joy, fun, life hacking, motivation, everything from this channel. So subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell button. See you soon guys. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye.